All your cocaine business, disturbing the peace. When is all your next transshipment of cocaine to Greece? That chemical to ya, drag you to the floor. Soon as grandpa bust open the door, cocaine never move. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and Dispenser Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and Dispatcher Julian, all you mash up the land.
Look at the picture in front of you. You know who that? That is Marvin Richardson, one of the most bad-minded hitman contract killer in a St. Vincent. You see that boy here? Him a one real pussy. Now, I just want jog on the memory. You remember the video we do on the policeman? Where we said the policeman have a cousin named Marvin, and Marvin work at the port? I him this. Real pussy. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, artists who want their music play on this channel can contact me. The number is right there on the screen, and I can play a video for you and promote it. I can do a little speech around it and promote it for you more than once for a small fee. You understand? Because nothing in life is free. You understand? So link up countryman, you understand, and get your music promote. You understand? And that's what I have to say. Thank you. Let's go. Now, let's talk about the boy. Marvin Richardson, aka Cuz or Saint. Now, the boy come from a place in a St. Vincent named Collins. You understand? His sister, they are Anguilla, and I think his mother, they live over there, but she passed away recently. Now, the boy, like I said earlier, him a police, him is cousin with the police boy, and see the police boy picture right here. Now the police boy, him born in America, you know, but him there St. Vincent. I work as police, and like him a do dirty work and mix up with criminal. Now, you see that boy Marvin, him a one big pussy. You understand? Cause from I put out the last video and talk about him, the policeman video, him take down him Facebook page and him stop riding bumbuckler bike. You think countryman can't find you, Marvin? Eh? You think me can't find you? Eh? Marvin, you're one big pussy. I mean, I tell you why you're a pussy. You're bad-minded. Marvin, you're a big man. And all you do is influence the young youth, them dog, for do peer fuckery. You understand? You have a little young youth that they are par with you. I be a driver. My youth, backshot. Cause backshot the youth name me now. If you start par with that boy, Marvin, I want dangerous boy. May I tell you something about him? You know, say him not have no criminal record. Him not have no criminal record, you know. But may I show you something? Listen to this. Look at the picture in front of you. Now, you see the youth on the right, him name Renald, and the youth on the left are Marvin Richardson, Saint or aka Cuz. Him now wound the youth here, chop up the youth here, and get charged for malicious wounding, you know. The youth on the right, you know. And you know, say, him did their code for the thing, and I go through the court case. Now, this is a notorious hitman, you know. We are kill walker and kill people in a criminal record. We don't understand this about buckler. But, you know, say, while him a go court, him send somebody, allegedly, let me use the word there, go kill a youth here on the right, and then the court case drop. So, him not have no criminal record. Let me repeat it again. Yo, him do the youth there on the right something, the youth the name Renard. And the youth complained to police that the youth was in the hospital. Vicious wounded, malicious, vicious wounded. Yo, him get charged. The pussy on the left. See? And after him get charged and I go court, him send somebody allegedly go kill the youth here on the right. Big pussy. Him not have no criminal record. The boy here want pussy, yo. Diablo, me I tell you something right now. You see that boy here? Him a plan to kill you. Me know you don't know me, you know. But I mean him countryman. You understand? You see that boy here? That boy here Marvin, STAINT, aka Cuz. Him a plan to kill you. Because you did owe some money at the B-side some money. You understand? And you and them have a difference. And you know where I'm going. Me not for ball it out. But according to him, that boy the Marvin, he might pick up certain man battle. So him offer you, cause they must say you owe a man X amount of money. Couple $1,000 well. You understand? So me just make you know. So when you see that boy there, don't make him come near you. Cause I'm sneaky and him a plan for you. Remember countryman tell you, you know. Remember countryman tell you that. Pussy wall Marvin Richardson, you is no good. And let me tell you now that boy and a blood clot good dog. You see that boy him grew up with a youth, you know. Him grew up with a youth. And the youth start make money, go Guadeloupe and certain place and move him food and them thing there. And him bad mind the youth. Cause let me tell you, him do work for the bees hive, you know. Him do dirty work for the bees hive them. You understand? But him see a youth, him and the youth a friend. I think him and the youth a go blood clot school, you know, and the youth trust him. Look on the youth here picture. Now look on the youth here. You see the youth here? Him and the youth here a friend. The youth here named Darwin Robinson. And what him do? Him call out the youth out of yard and make a youth kill him. And the man them kill him for the bees hive. You understand? Now, him and the youth go school, you know. Pussy wall. Where you want name STAINT or Marvin Blood Clot Richardson. Or you get a port job and you drop out of school. Him not get no subject, him not get no CXC, and him get a job at the port. Him go on like him smarter than everybody. But my youth, you and the youth you go school and you kill the blood clot youth, you set up the youth. You understand? You make the man them use you, you pull him out and then the pussy them kill him. You understand? When you see the incident there, read it. You see the thing right there, so. And him set up the youth and make the pussy kill the youth. That boy name Bandel and him the bees hive them use to kill the youth. But me I say, him and the youth are friends, you know, and them go school. I one thing with me, you know. You see me, when it come to my friend them, me not rob none of them, me not kill none of them. You understand? Yo, me tell my brethren them, me not like what you do, that no mean me not like you. You understand? Me rather tell a man say, yo, me not deal with you, you know, you're a pussy. You understand? But me nah go kill none of my blood clot friend them. And me nah rob none of my friend them. Me never do that from the day me born. Rob my friend family and kill them. Me nah in them thing there. You understand? If I outside pussy now, we have to deal with your blood clot case. But me nah do that to nobody when me grew up with. You understand? And For that reason, that's why me a lick out by your bumper clot so much, my youth. Cause you do certain things where me personally no like. And you see when a man do certain things where me no like, me have a lick out on it. I just me stay as countryman. Just like the boy junglist a blood clot Barbados. Big pussy that too. Me I get to you in a junglist. You think me not get to you? Alright. But yeah, him kill him friend where him grew up with. That boy that make him #1 pussy. Yo, him bad-minded. He no want see no man have nothing. You understand? Now, me just telling you something else. Now, Sanga, even though you're a pussy, me I tell you something. You see that boy there, Marvin Richardson, he might call up your name, you know. And that boy there pre you. You understand? He might pre you. He might call up your name. Let me repeat it again. Me no never say all countryman know them thing ya. Cause me a genius. Me no don't see it. You understand? Only one time I don't see it. When me have to cuss out the man them a Trinidad dog, and not everybody at Trinidad stay like that. So me have to correct that. But yo, Sanga, that boy ya pre you. Cause I say you're no bad man. You go on like you're a bad man. And me know him do enough dirty work for you, you know. Because you link with him police cousin. You understand? And him do enough dirty work for you. But me I tell you, even though you're a pussy, Sanga, me I warn you, watch that boy ya. Him a pre you. Cause I say you're no bad man. And him know a whole heap of the secrets. You see what me I say? So, you know what me I talk about. And me have to call it out. That boy I want pussy, him do a thing what me no like. You see when you set up your friend them dog, me no blood clot like you. And me no care who. I just saw me stay. You understand? That's why me I make you know this. Yo, me say that for say this. Yo, Marvin, me I come for your bumper clot. Me I stay upon your case. I come stay upon Shotty man case. And certain man case. Cause you're a pussy. You see me I say? I pay fuck you are going with. And you see a man like Uni, you know, we go through life and do people all sort of blood clot fuckery and sneaky with it. And go and you don't have a blood clot criminal record and you expect to go through life and nothing happen to you. So yo, while me I have a bad day, you the woman fuck pussy. And I live your big life. Pussy hole, it don't work like that, you know. It don't work like that. You understand? And enough of the man them me I tell, it don't work like that. So you see that boy yeah, the people them are St. Vincent for watch him. And you terrorize the people them in your neighborhood. To the people them can't wait to get rid of you. Me no know the police them will get rid of you. How come you not have no criminal record and you do so much blood clot fuckery? When you see how St. Vincent stay though. You see how St. Vincent stay. And him a do dirty work for the beehive them. You understand? And him a do dirty work and still not have no blood clot money. A boy here one pussy. Listen. My name is Countryman, yo. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video, and leave some comment. But, it's when me hear about that boy and all my flex, I could write a book about him. And me have a part 2 a compound a pussy too. Yo, I'm out.